Hello, my name is Ivan aka Armenia. I'm a professional trader with more than 10 years of experience. I'm a main trader in the type of trading where we share our trades in crypto, stock and forex market. If you want to join our great community, you can find the link below in the description or on our main YouTube page. Today we're going to talk about trading view, why you have to use it, what kind of indicators, what kind of tools this app has. So let's start. Let's start with main thing that I want to share with you. First of all, is it important to buy pro version or not? I would say yes, because it allows you to add a lot of tickers, so you can check more instruments, and by doing some technical analysis on these instruments, you will be able to see will your analysis was correct or not. Also, one important tool that you can use, it's just for backtests. This is for replay. For example, you can just do some backtests. You can check video why backtest is so important, just on our channel, so you can identify we're going up or down, and just try to do trades. For example, you want to open long position here, based on some technical analysis, because we took this low, and target will be, for example, this high, right? And now we're checking, and did this play out well or not? And as you can see, we have a normal reaction, blah blah blah. Basically going. No, it didn't play out, so your tactic was wrong. Now you can analyze what happened and why this happened, and you will get some data at least, and keep doing same stuff over and over again. Also, it allows you to look back in the past, because with the free version you will be able to look only till 10,000 candles. That's all. But with pro or high version, you will be able to look far away, and especially when you doing some backtests, in 2008, 2006, just to understand how price acts, right? This is not ad, it's just I'm sharing with you with my opinion. So also you will be able to set an alerts. For example, I set some alerts on Coca-Cola, so I saw when we took this major low. Then I went on low time frames, and I saw when we tested my zone that I was waiting for, and I opened my trade here. It was only because I had alert, because look at this. So let's say you're working with 10 instruments. Instead of just going from one to one all the time, you can just set an alert, and when price comes to your point of interest, zone, specific zone that you've been waiting for, it means you don't so price comes to your point of interest, or specific zones that you've been waiting for. You don't need to look back and forth. You can just chill and just wait for alert to pop out, and maybe look on some other instruments. This is about instruments, right? Then it's about trading view, pro trading view. Now Let's talk about like some important stuff. What you can do, like as you can see, I have like plenty of like time frames. How to do so? You just like need to click time interval and set the favorite. And by doing this, you see it will be online here. It's like more comfortable than just all the time open like this like menu and just select time frame that you need. What else? About alerts, like you can set alert just by drawing like trend line, say like drawing trend line, and you can set alert, right, like this. I think like everyone knows it, but you can also set alert by clicking on this plus. When doing this, you have to click on settings here, and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, click click plus button. By doing this, you allow to set alerts on specific levels that you need. Also, you can just buy and sell limits, like buy and sell by market order if like your trading view connected to like broker you use. Indicators. So let's talk about the indicators right now. I would say I don't like indicators that somehow affects your decisions. For example, I have like indicators that shows me like volume. Like volume like doesn't affect, it just shows me how much like volume in specific candle, right? I have this super block. I'm using like smart money strategy, so I need to have a look on the chart. I want to see like some zones. As you can see, it doesn't like show like fair value gaps, horizontal blocks all the time, like not like all fair value gaps, etc., but at least like some. It helps, like it just like speeds up process a bit. Also, I have this ICT HAF candles. It just shows me like daily and weekly candles and just like more for price action. I can see how it closes. For example, this candle is like very bullish. Also, I have this like two custom indicators. Unfortunately, I cannot share them. These indicators shows sessions. Sessions are very important for indexes and currencies. Sometimes for crypto, but more like for like Forex market and indexes, because like there are like plenty of like strategies that require like you to these like time levels, because time is like most important stuff in trading, because everything like based on time. You can notice it on the chart, because some manipulation will be happening over and over again every day in the same time range. I'm using some indicator that shows me some previous daily high, previous daily low, previous weekly high, previous weekly low, etc., etc. I'm still looking for good like previous weekly and previous monthly levels, because I couldn't find good one. Probably will do it by myself. Why it's important? You can like check like our like lecture on YouTube about like liquidity levels. Yeah, I talked about it a lot and why it's important. You can find it on our YouTube page. So as you can see, like these indicators, they don't affect my decisions. I open trades based on data that I can see in the charts. If I remove these indicators, I still will be able to see the same information that I can see like with indicators or like without it. Nothing changes. Just indicators just have to like speed up some process. You can use some like moving averages, like Ichimoku clouds, like waves, like etc. etc. All those kind of indicators. Not a big deal. Like MACD, RSI, but you have to understand these indicators. They calculate data. The current information that they get like from chart, like on average like numbers. So first of all, you get information from the past and you get in like average data. You're not getting like accurate one. You get in like average number. It's okay if you like these indicators like helps you, like such as RSI, for example. It helps you to identify when assets like overbought or oversold, etc. But as you can see, sometimes like it's like extremely overbought, right? It was like, for example, on daily, somewhere here we've been like overbought right here. So for example, we should go down, but no, we like went up almost like 4%, but RSI was overbought already, right? So I don't look much on it. How to edit indicators? It's kind of simple. You can like click on indicators and use like moving, let's say EMA. Moving averages like 20, 50, 100, 200. You can use like MA just to identify some average price on like 200 lengths, etc. and like such like big period on like 200 days period or like 300, 500. I don't recommend using it on like intraday trading. I prefer using it like for investment stuff. For example, you can use 300, like 400, 500 moving averages and just buy based on these levels, and that's it. You don't need to like use some golden cross or like dust cross, etc, because we had like dust cross on S&P 500. We had it like here, and as you can see, we're going up. Just no, like it's just, you can open like long or like short, and you in 50% of the time you will be like wrong or right. So it's the same stuff. If we're talking about like trading, you have to have like risk management and all this kind of stuff. By the way, I will record video about like risk management because like so many people have problem with it and asking me to do so. I don't think it will take much time for me. Okay, what kind of also tools like TradingView has? Like it has like this kind of cross dot. It's like how you move your chart. You can also set a chart. Your lock price is gonna be like after, right? So you cannot move it like I did. How to like move the chart like up and down? You just like go on the right side where you can see this like price numbers, and just go up and down, so you can change so you can change length and width like on the chart, right, like this. Also we can see it more comfortable. Same you doing like on the bottom. It will be smaller, so you can see like big picture. Also you can just move and then jump between like time frames as well. What else you can use? You can use like some lines, usually like trend lines. This allows me to identify a trend. Always use this little magnet because accuracy is the most important stuff. In the market, you cannot just draw a line and it will like have like 10 like $20 like difference like from like real time frame, from real time, because market loves accuracy because it's like everything controlled by like brave programs. And if you've been following my streams, we've been identifying like entries and levels like by the dollar. Same as like you can just open ICT stream. It's like everything accurate. What else? Horizontal line, like horizontal ray. You can play all this kind of stuff. I don't use like this kind of like channels. You can use it, but what I usually do, I just like draw like trend line, and then I right clicked and clone it. That's it. For example, like this, right? I just like clone it. Then what I use also Fibonacci retracement. I don't use like any other tool because trust me, they're useless. For if you want to play, if you like trade with Elliott, you can use like Elliott ways, but I don't like Elliott as like day trade because it has like so many variations. You can use like Elliott ways like just to identify like trends and don't use like some global, but still you have like 2-3 options, and it doesn't give you any idea. But I don't trade like Elliott, so maybe I'm wrong. What else? Like long short position, always like use it to calculate exact like percent. You trading, for example, this is what I did on this Coca-Cola trades that we posted in our Discord channel. So it's easy for me to calculate how much percent my stop. You can also like add like some play with settings, like lot size. You can like play around your account size, like your risk percentage, entry price, etc., etc. Then what else? I don't use like any other stuff. If you want to like brush something to show people where the price goes, for example, this is I did on CRM, I just like draw it pretty quick where the price go, and that's it. Like highlighter, like I'm using it for identification of like market structure, to like mark lower low, like high low, etc. For example, like this, right, to identify structure. We had like break of market structure and etc., etc. But I've been doing it in my head already, but for practice, it's like a really good tool. Arrow, like if you wanna just like draw like some line that will be on the specific level, you can use it as well. like rectangle to mark fair value gaps or like support, like resistance zone, depends on strategy you use, like this, right? You can also like play around it, like add settings, some like write some text, for example, fair value gap, 1 hour, like inside, like center, right? So we will have like this fair value gap in the center. What else? Like path, if you wanna show someone or like mark something like for yourself, you can like write a path, so like when price goes, for example, right? Something like this. That's it. Also I'm using like curve just to identify like when I use in range, I want to show like deviation, or I want to show like cascade, consolidation. Let me show you something like this, just like nice picture. That's it. You can just mark it with brush anyway, but it looks better when you're doing it with this instrument. Like circles, eclipse, etc. You can also have like, you can have like some text, some notes, like comments, like you can do all this kind of stuff. You can also use it like as a tweet, an idea, and I'm also using like some icons, but in general that's all what I'm using. You can also set like some hotkey binds to like to jump between charts. For example, yeah, you can just press space and just keep jumping. You can also have like some templates. For example, I'm just lazy to do so, but you can do this. Use like templates, right? And it will be, for example, here it will be fair value gap, right? Like fair value gap, like 1 hour, right? And next time when let's say I will change price, I will change like color, and I wanna like template, right? Fair value gap. Okay, that's all. So have my color, and it will like speed up process when you like doing some technical analysis. But if I'm gonna like mark something like for someone, yeah, it will take me more time. But when I'm doing like technical analysis, I just like remember all my colors that I use. For example, I'm using like blue color for fair value gaps, like red one, red triangles like for order blocks, bearish order blocks, the green one for etc, etc. So all this kind of stuff. You can just find something like for yourself, like what you want and what you prefer, what like templates, what settings you like more. That's it. So if you like this video, please hit subscribe button, set notifications on, also join our great community. We have like amazing like team, like all of our traders. It's like also we provide some crypto calls, forex calls, stock calls. We started to do some copy trading, and also have fundamental analysis as well. One new stuff that we also have is like long-term crypto investments and long-term like stock investments. For stock, we just like waiting for a bit because like market is kind of weird right now, and we have like a few ideas that we wanted, for example, like Intel, like Microsoft, like we'll write like some key levels that we want to see price to come. But for now we're focusing on the crypto market because it's like went down like a lot.